for our banded lateral line stretch. We're gonna start with a band about head height, maybe a little bit higher than that. From there, we're gonna drop the knee that's away from that attachment point down to the ground, and our opposite foot is out in front of us. From there, we're gonna grab the band with our outside hand. So we're gonna reach that hand up and over top of us. So as we get to the very top, we want our elbow right to the top side of our ear, bicep right next to our ear. So we're gonna start off by pushing that knee that's down on the floor straight down. So we get a nice big stretch through our hip flexor, getting into the front of our quad. And then we can let that band start to pull us towards that attachment point. Once we spend a few seconds in this position, then we can start to explore some different areas. So we can start to rotate and open up our chest a little bit. Hand comes behind the head. Or we can rotate forward, getting over top of that front knee. All right, so as we rotate backwards, we can probably stay in that same position. And as we rotate over top of that knee, we'll probably have to move ourselves out away just a little bit, just to get a little bit more stretch. All right, but as we get into this, we'll feel a nice big stretch through our lats, through our rib cage, into our obliques on the outside. As we rotate in this way, so our chest comes over top of our knee, we get a little bit more through our upper part of our lower back, so into our QL. And as we open up that chest a little bit more, then we'll get a nice big stretch through our shoulder and a little bit more through that lateral hip.